Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn Discord Rhythm board tutorial 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. First we dive on Google and search top CG and dive on Discord boards and tap on search bar and write Rythm and search, and little bit scroll down and tap on Rythm and tap on invite and select your server. Then you will tap on invite Rythm to your Discord. And so guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. Please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below and press the bell icon for new updates. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.